In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to fix the problem when your iPhone is stuck on this particular message. Now, it doesn't really look like this most of the time. It's going to look slightly smaller or different. But the important thing is that your iPhone is stuck in the home would like to send you critical alerts page. So you tried everything, nothing is working. The only thing you can do is to force a restart of your iPhone. Now, like I said, obviously mine doesn't have that kind of trouble. This is just a screenshot, but I'm just showing you in case you have that problem, which I've had before, and this is how I fixed it. So what you want to do is force restart your iPhone. And to force restart your iPhone, basically it's just going to restart the iPhone. It's basically a forced reboot. This is not going to delete your data. You're not going to lose any settings. You're not going to lose anything. This is just going to clear the cache and put your iPhone back into working mode. So what you want to do is press the volume up button and then volume down and then long press on the side button, and that should fix it. Okay, so volume up, volume down, and then long press on the side button. Just ignore what you're seeing on the screen and keep pressing. Just keep holding on that button. The screen should go dark at some point. There you go. Now let's just wait for the Apple logo before we can let go. There you go. So that should start your iPhone right back up and get rid of any stuck or anything you are stuck on, like the home would like to send you critical alerts page. So that should fix everything. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly also subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.